Today we have a 2012 Hyundai-Wia L300C. The machine has a Fanuc I-Series control. It's got a tool setter, a 12-inch chuck, 12-station turret, a tailstock, and an LNS turbo chip conveyor. Are we in high range?
Yes.
We're in high range, 500 RPM.
Now,
1,000 in high range. That's 1,500 in high range. The max is 3,000 on this machine. All right. Machine has 3.5-inch bar capacity. Gear shift to low range, 100 in low. $250 in low. All right. Indexing the turret. All of the tool holders mounted to the turret go with it. All right. The axes are quiet. All right, it's a tow-along tailstock. Quill advance and retract. Okay. All right. This machine can be inspected in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.